Welcome, cruise travelers! Today we're taking you on a virtual journey to one of Sicily's most enchanting cities, Messina. As the gateway to Sicily, Messina is rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. From ancient cathedrals to scenic viewpoints, Messina offers a myriad of experiences waiting to be discovered. In this guide, we'll show you everything you need to know to make the most of your port day in Messina. Plus, we have a special treat, the top 5 must-see places you can't afford to miss. Let's dive in and explore the best of what this captivating city has to offer. Your cruise ship will dock at the port of Messina, conveniently located near the city centre. Most cruise liners provide shuttle services to key points, but it's always wise to check with your ship for specific details. From the port, you can easily explore Messina on foot or opt for a taxi for added convenience. Messina's city centre is compact and best explored on foot. Walking allows you to truly immerse yourself in the city's vibrant atmosphere, discover hidden gems, and appreciate the blend of historical and modern elements. Start your journey in the heart of the city, which offers a maze of narrow streets and charming squares. Messina has a rich history that dates back to ancient Greek times. Over the centuries, it has been influenced by the Romans, Byzantines, Normans, and Spaniards, each leaving their mark on the city. Messina's history is reflected in its stunning architecture, ancient ruins, and vibrant cultural scene. Now, let's delve into the top 5 must-visit places in Messina. Yeah, let's explore the top 5 must-visit places in Messina when you're on a day trip from your cruise ship. Begin your adventure at the Messina Cathedral, a stunning example of Norman architecture. The cathedral's bell tower houses the largest astronomical clock in the world. Be sure to be there at noon to witness the clock's intricate mechanical show. Adjacent to the cathedral is Piazza del Duomo, the main square of Messina. Here you'll find the Fountain of Orion, a masterpiece of Renaissance sculpture, and plenty of cafes where you can soak up the lively atmosphere. Visit the Church of Santissima Annunziata dei Catalani, an architectural gem blending Norman and Arab influences. Its unique design and historical significance make it a must-see. Explore the Messina Regional Museum, which houses an impressive collection of art and artifacts from various periods of the city's history. Highlights include works by Caravaggio and Antonello da Messina. For panoramic views of the city and the Strait of Messina, head to the Sanctuary of Montalto. This hilltop church offers breathtaking vistas and a peaceful retreat from the bustling city below. For longer distances, Messina offers an efficient public transportation system, including buses and trams. The local buses are a reliable and affordable way to navigate the city and its surroundings. If you prefer a more flexible option, consider renting a bike for a fun and convenient way to explore. Enhance your Messina experience by booking local tours. Local tour operators provide in-depth knowledge and unique insights about the area. Consider a guided walking tour of the historic districts, a culinary tour to sample Sicilian delicacies, or an excursion to nearby Taormina. Booking tours in advance can save you money and ensure you secure your spot. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary journey in Messina. The city's cuisine is a delightful blend of Mediterranean and traditional Sicilian flavors. Don't miss out on trying local specialties like pasta alla norma pasta with tomatoes, eggplant, and ricotta cheese, and arancini stuffed rice balls. For dessert, indulge in granita, a refreshing semi-frozen dessert often served with a brioche bun. Pair it with a glass of local Mamertino wine for the perfect end to your meal. Messina enjoys a Mediterranean climate, with hot summers and mild winters. The best time to visit is during the spring or autumn when the weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. Summer is perfect for beachgoers but can be busy, while winter offers a quieter charm with fewer tourists and cozy dining experiences. The people of Messina are known for their warm hospitality. Show respect by learning a few basic Italian phrases, like buongiorno, good morning, and grazie, thank you. When dining out, it's customary to leave a small tip of around 10% for good service. To make the most of your time in Messina, here are a few insider tips. Venture beyond the main tourist areas and explore the hidden gems of the city. The narrow streets of the old town and the vibrant markets are full of character and local life. Engage with the locals. Messina residents are generally friendly and open. Strike up a conversation at a market or ask for restaurant recommendations to gain valuable insights and perhaps make a new friend. For a truly enriching experience, consider booking a guided tour. A local guide can provide fascinating stories and insider knowledge about Messina's history, culture, and hidden treasures. Whether it's a historical walking tour, a culinary adventure, or a scenic excursion to nearby Taormina, these experiences will deepen your appreciation of this beautiful city. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. And to help you save on your next port visit, check out the video description for the links to our recommended local tours. Plus, you can download our port tour guide specific for the ports you are going to visit, all for free. These free resources will help you save a lot of money on your next port day visit. Happy travels!